How much does a bathroom remodeling cost in New Jersey? Real numbers. So I'm gonna break it down. 3 bathrooms, and I'll explain to you why they're different. How much does a bathroom cost remodeling? So I'm gonna break it down. This is 1995. So this is about 20 years old bathroom. This right here is about 15 years old bathroom. So 1978, this house was built there. This right here was built about 1924. So if you see right there, there is 3 houses, different years was built. So let's understand numbers and why those numbers will change. So let's understand first thing, 20 years old bathroom. Make it easy for you guys. 20 years old bathroom is $37,000, around $40,000, and this is what it looks like. All depends what's behind the wall and how much work we gotta do. So in this case, this is the previous. We're not changing any layout in here. We upgraded. Obviously the shower picture has been changed, and this is the new. See right there, it's full renovation, but nothing has been changed from the space. We just upgraded to a nicer one. But the reason it was cheaper, or it's less expensive, cheaper. It was less expensive is just because, for example, the plumbing system in this bathroom, you don't have to upgrade it because it is existing plumbing. Let me just find the picture for the plumbing. Look at this right here. We open up the wall, just make sure everything is good, but this is a new PVC pipe. This pipe is gonna be forever. So this is the new code, and PVC never dies. So that's one of the reasons we don't have to upgrade the plumbing in here. Now let's take a look. Bathroom from 1924. 1924 bathroom. Let's take a look at plumbing, and we can really break it down as much as we can. But plumbing for 1924 bathroom is going to look like this. Look at this. Cast iron pipe, lead elbows by the toilet. So this you don't want to leave behind the wall. Actually, this bathroom right here, it was a broke the hub right here, so that had to be, this we was gonna usually in this type of bathrooms we suggest 99% complete upgrade plumbing and system, plumbing and electric. So those will add up. Also, there's a lot more intense on demolition. So all those really add up to the price. That's the reason one bathroom can be in the $40,000 range. The other one can be into the $70,000 range. So how much does a bathroom cost remodeling? All depends. If the house was built, also what's your expectations? You can for example, this is 100 years old house, and then look at the selections with the finishes right here, and that also will drive the price. Let's go to selections. This right here, if you see the tile work right here, it's $7,286. With this other house was newer, there was less tile work, but the selection was a little different. They use porcelain tile, whereas the tiles is only $1,551. Why? Because it was just only the shower section and the floor, plus is porcelain. So remember, the other one was nice, beautiful marble, and this porcelain.